Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to print only the first and last letter of a string is capitalized using Python. So let's start the tutorial. Let's check the final output of our application. We'll check the output I'm expecting from the string M and last letter, the first capital letter M and the last letter N must be capital, and the command is Python first and last letter cap.py, enter, and notice here we got the output M is capital and the last letter N is capital and the rest of the letters is small.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder. The folder I have created on my desktop, Python-tutorials. I'm selecting that folder. And here the Python-tutorials folder is added to our VS Explorer. Now first, I am adding the new file, first and last letter cap.py, and here we got our newly created file is open. First let's create one string. 1 is equals to my name is Charan. Now my aim is I want to get the output only the first M and N, the last word, first and last letter I want to make capitalized, and the rest of the letters will be the small letters. So here result is a variable is equals to string 1. Here I am adding the variable 0 dot upper plus I am concatenating the string 1. I am using slicing here, 1 colon minus 1. Here the 1 is the index starts with 0, 1 is y, colon minus 1 is the last index value which is the n I want to display, plus I am not adding the upper function here, this is a function, and the last one string 1 minus 1 dot upper method. That's it. Now print the first and last letter is capital, comma, result. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. Save. We'll check the output. Go to view, click terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. We'll check the output I'm expecting from the string M and last letter, the first capital letter M and the last letter N must be capital, and the command is Python first and last letter cap.py, enter, and notice here we got the output M is capital and the last letter N is capital and the rest of the letters is small. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to make the first and last letter is capital in a string using Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.